Today, I'm taking a full look at the ExxPower C1. Not a teardown, not hype, just a clear look at what comes in the box, how clean the install is, what the numbers actually mean, and whether this makes sense as a real 48-volt golf cart upgrade. Right away, this feels more like a system than just a battery. ExxPower sells the C1 as either battery only or as a bundle, and I've got the bundle. And that matters because for me, a good install starts with everything being thought through before the first wrench comes out. ExxPower also has a step-by-step install guide, and they position this as a plug-and-play style upgrade for major kart brands like Club Car, Yamaha, E-Z-Go, and Icon. Now the headline specs. This is a 48-volt 105 amp-hour LiFePO4 battery built with UL certified grade A prismatic cells and about 5.37 kilowatt hours of energy. It's rated at 200 amps continuous, 600 amps for 30 seconds, and up to 1000 amps in short bursts. On paper, that translates to 10.24 kilowatts continuous and 51.2 kilowatts peak. In the real world, that's the stuff you feel on takeoff, on hills, and when the cart is loaded. ExxPower's published range claims it's over 50 miles on a 3 kilowatt car, or about 7 18-hole rounds on one charge. They also say it works with controllers rated up to 1000 amps, so this is aimed at real carts, not just pretty numbers on a page. And ExxPower rates it for 4000 plus deep cycles, at 80% depth of discharge, which is a major jump from typical lead-acid expectations. The pack is compact too, 20.08 by 11.81 by 8.66 inches. Including the mounting feet. So compared with a full bank of lead acids, the whole battery area gets a lot cleaner and a lot simpler. Protection-wise, you've got a 200 amp BMS managing overcharge, over discharge, over current, temperature, and short circuit protection. But what makes this more interesting is the feedback. The display is not just a battery gauge, it's a diagnostic screen. ExxPower built-in fault code display, so if something is off, you can see issues tied to voltage or temperature instead of guessing. And on the app side, you can monitor the battery in real time while driving or charging, see 4 temperature points, look at all 16 cell voltages, and control charging or discharge from your phone. That's a big deal because it turns the battery from black box into something you can actually manage. And honestly, this is the standout feature for me. ExxPower doesn't just throw out a big cycle life number and leave you there. The app includes a smart app timer, so you can control charging duration and keep the battery in that 80 to 90% golden zone, instead of parking it at 100% all the time. On top of that, there's a smart calm slow charge mode designed to reduce cell stress with low current charging. That's the kind of feature set that makes the long life claim feel more practical in the real world. And as for charging, ExxPower recommends a lithium charger in the 5.6.8 to 5.8.4 volt range at 20 to 30 amps. So based on the 105 amp hour capacity, you're generally looking at roughly a 4 to 6 hour full charge depending on where you start. Then there's the value side. ExxPower says it has a factory in Dungen and an office in Shenzhen, and in-house R&D behind the brand. And as of the page I checked, the C1 was listed at $1,399 with a $400 off code, which puts it at roughly $999 before tax or shipping. Pair that with an 8-year warranty, and it's pretty clear what they're going after here. Strong specs, smart features, and a factory direct price that undercuts a lot of lithium expectations. All right, so we're here on the ExxPower website. Totally off the script. I just want you guys to see what you would see when you go to their website. We're going to go through it and find that battery. So you can see what's right here on the front. But they also have much more stuff. We have some blogs. We have so about them, and we went into that in big detail. So I'm really not going to get into it. But you guys can go in the description of the video, and that site is down there. So go ahead and find that and click on it. The philosophy and belief, why choose ExxPower, all that good stuff. Yes, definitely. They have the greatest products, good support system. You can see it. They have their warranty policy, the app download, help center, all that good stuff. Accessories for golf cart batteries. Let's see what that is. So if you happen to get the battery and it didn't have all that stuff in the box, you can go ahead and order it separately, which is all good. But most of the time, you're probably going to find it in the box because that's the way you're going to order it. But even if you didn't, or if it didn't come with what you thought it did and you ordered the wrong one, whatever, you can fix that problem or get what you need. So we got the applications, and that shows the golf cart batteries. So we have the C1, but they also have the G1, guys, that I do not have to review, but this one is just a little different. You can see it's also got the $400 off code, XPD400. That's the promo code, and this one is a little bit better than the one that we reviewed. So you can see that you can even go up in what we even had. So you can get the 48 volt, which is what we were reviewing. We were reviewing the 48 volt, and you can go 72 volt. Oh yeah, a little bit pricey, but remember, you get that $400 discount. They even have a B1 48 volt, so it's a little bit smaller, I think. I'm not sure. Oh, okay. You can parallel connect these guys, have double the power. Look at that. Crazy. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, so they have free shipping within 1 to 4 business days if you order from them. And then you got the product descriptions. They even have like a little AI chat if you want to go ahead and chat with them. Let's see. Go back home. Let's see what they got down here. Some pretty cool animations. That's what they got. So that golf cart is cool looking. But that's pretty much, I mean, if it was invisible, that's what it looks like. It is a tiny little battery compared to all the other lead acid batteries that you have stuffed in there from the days of yore. These lithium batteries are definitely a game changer. I've reviewed several of them, and every single one of them is amazing. And this one is, I think, the best one I've reviewed so far. Yes, that's that. You guys can go through here and see what you need, see what you like. Read one of these blogs. What is the pre-charge function in battery systems? Lots of good information here, so I'll go ahead and check that out. So overall, the ExxPower C1 makes a strong case for anyone moving out of the lead acid and into a smarter 48 volt setup. The power is there, the range claim is competitive, the diagnostics are genuinely useful, and the charge management tools give you more control over long-term battery health. They also provide full-scale bespoke surfaces, customizing everything from sizes and parameters to unique looks to fit your market perfectly. Looking to scale your business with a reliable partner? Tap the link below to become an ExxPower distributor, and let's win the market together. My name's William, this is the Crypto Bull channel, and I will see you guys in the next product video. Remember, as always, stay amazing and stay classy. Peace.